How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about building your credit with negative accounts. People don't think that they can still build their credit when they have negative items on there, but you actually can. Um, the first thing you need to do is you need to check to see if you have any negative accounts that's more than 2 years old. If you have collections or charge off that's 3 years, 4 years, 5 years old, they affect your credit less. The most accounts that affect your credit is within the last 2 years. That's what they look at. They look at the last 2 years of your payment history, the last 2 years of your account history. So if you have collections or charge off on your credit report and it's 3 years, 4 years down the line, then it affect your credit less. It still affect your credit. It just affected lesser. So you still can start the building process and also try to work on disputing some of them accounts. It just depends on what accounts it is and what you should dispute and not dispute. If I give you an example, if you got an account that's 5 years old and 2 years from now it's gonna come off, then I don't really think it's worth disputing. But if you got an account that was in the last 2 years, then you might want to try to dispute that. So if you have a negative account, if your negative accounts on your credit report is more than 2 years old, then you can start the rebuilding process. So first thing you want to do is get secure credit cards. You want to get a secure credit card with your credit unions or with the bank who you bank with. Like if you bank with Regions, if you get direct deposit in Regions with FICO, you want to get a secure credit card with them, or you want to go to a credit union. Credit union is always the best because credit unions are more lenient and they always get the most money. You want to try Navy Federal and Alabama Credit Union if you live in Alabama. That's where I live. And also this different other community banks, community credit unions is the best places to go because they make business and they make money based off the community. So if they deny you, they don't have nobody to approve because it's all about the community. So you want to go to them type banks, and especially people who you already bank with because you already built a relationship. So you more likely can go in and get a secure credit card and be good. The next thing you want to do, if you don't have no money to get a secure credit card, you might be like, your money kind of tight and you want to build your credit, but you don't got no money for no secure credit card. The next best thing is to go to subprime credit card. A subprime credit card would be like a credit card like Credit One Bank, Indigo, or the Reflex card. Those cards are subprime. They're like credit cards for people who have bad credit, who have negative items on their credit report, and you can easily get approved with them. If, like I said, if your negative accounts are more than 2 years old, or 2 years or more, then you can get approved with Credit One Bank, Indigo, and Reflex. You just have to pay some fees, like they got annual fees. Some credit cards even make you pay a fee up front, like I think First Premium Bank, it make you pay like $89, but they give you the credit card. You got to pay an annual fee. So the things about subprime credit cards is only cards that you keep to start the rebuilding process. Like I'll keep Credit One Bank Indigo for like 6 to 8 months. Then you want to go ahead and just close that account because they're gonna be charging you unnecessary fees, and they have a lot of credit cards out there that don't charge no annual fee, and it's better perks, rewards, and stuff like that that you can get eventually. Once you start building your credit up 6 to 8 months, then you don't need these accounts. You can close them and replace them with better credit cards. This is your starting ground. If you don't have no secure credit cards you can get, you can start with that. And also you can start with like self lender. Um, Self lender, deposit a loan in the bank for you for, it's like a CD. It's a certificate of deposit. So it's a CD in the bank for you, and then you just pay them back every month. I don't know how long it is. You have to go on their website to see. But I think they have different versions, like 12 months, 24 months, But you just pay them like $25 a month or whatever one you choose, and then at the end you get your money back out of the CD. That'll be good to use places like that, but not no credit builder loans. You don't want to get no credit builder loans. So like I said in the other video, if you get like a personal loan where they give you the money up front, it's really not gonna do that much for your credit. It's really gonna hurt your credit because, like I said, getting loans is not like a good account to get. You want to get like a revolving credit card, or like you can get something like Self. Or if you get a loan, you want to make sure you don't get that many, and you want to make sure you go ahead and pay most of it off, and then you just using the payment history to build your credit up when the balance get low. So that's how you start rebuilding your credit. If you have any questions, if you need any help, my information in the description. Um, I said my company is Next Level Solutions, and we trying to coach people with credit repair, so you can go out there and do it yourself, and you don't have to go to a credit repair company. We coach you into success. Well, we just teach you about credit, and then we just coach you, and then you go out there and do it yourself. So it's like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.